Hi everyone, this is DIYwell with Miss Markwell. Sorry I haven't been here for a while, but I've been renovating my house, as you can see. That's something new. I'm going to show you some DIY videos. Today I'm going to be demonstrating my favourite tool, the SDS hammer drill. And I've been using this to remove the plaster from the walls. As you can see, I've done that section and I'm going to now remove the top section. As always, health and safety first. You're going to need protective boots. I don't think you can see these. I've got overalls on, I've got protective gloves, so this is a really messy job. As with all power tools, you're going to need eye protection. As this is dusty, I'm going to wear a face mask, and I'm also going to be using, it's really noisy as well, so I'm going to have some air protection as well. Right, before using any tools, make sure you've read the instructions first before you use them, and make sure the tools are in good condition as well. Always have a helper in case you have any problems. I'm using SDS hammer drill with a rotary stop function. This means I can use it as a hammer to remove the plaster and the chuck will not rotate. Various types of chisel bits are available. I will be using a wide blade chisel for this job. I'm going to be directing the chisel at a shallow angle between the plaster and the brick wall to avoid any damage to the brick work. You don't want to be going directly in like that because you're going to damage and move the bricks, so you need to be having it at a shallow angle between the plaster and the brickwork like that. I have to be especially careful because my house is carstone and brickwork, so I have to be extra careful because I could damage it. You've got the carstone and you've got the brickwork there. Make sure your area is clean and tidy as well, so if any big bits of plaster fall, I can jump out of the way. Yeah, it's common sense, be careful. And as you can see, it is a really messy job. Thanks for watching DIYwell with Miss Markwell. Please subscribe and share and like, and bye.